Everyone, this is Roy again. So right now, itong fourth client for today, August 2, Sunday. So around 2:15 p.m. So nandito na kami sa fourth client, which is yan, naka Montero Sport naman, nakitang-kita nyo naman. And of course, yung number one model namin, top model, the highly requested and highly recommended dashcam, the Anytek 2K12 dual cam dashcam. So installing right now here in the Montero Sport. So rear cam installation will be inside. So tinatapos na lang ng technician doon sa power line niya, and also nag-request din ni client with the use of our special unit, itong power box installation. So yan, maya tapos na. De-demo ko na sa client right now with my vehicle. So then after the installation, let me show you kung gaano kaganda installation. It's a perfect installation for the Montero Sport. Very nice location ng rear camera, and especially yung size ng top model namin, naka 12 inches touch swipe screen, and 100% rear view mirror. Perfect siya sa ganitong klaseng vehicle. And again, this client is located here in idivillage, Severina18, Paranaque City.